In this video, you will learn how to create a new sticker for Telegram. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it for yourself. So first step is you have to open your Telegram. Now you have to click on a search bar in the top right corner. After that, you have to search here sticker, and now you will see a bot officially from Telegram. So now you have to open this bot, and as you can see, I am trying this bot to create a sticker, but I am not able to create any sticker through this bot. So for that I am using a app. I am using this app to create a bot. So you have to simply download it from Play Store, and now open this app. Now you will have an interface like this. As you can see, I am also create a lot of sticker packs in this app. And now if you want to create a new sticker, for that you have to simply click on this plus icon, and now you have to add a name of your pack. After that you have to simply click on create. Now you will have an interface like this. So here simply you have to click on plus icon, and now you have to click on this gallery option and select a image from gallery to create a sticker. Let's say I want to create a sticker of this image. So for that, first step is you have to simply click on this magic button, and now this magic button will automatically remove the background of this image. And now you have to simply click on next button, and now as you can see, the background of this image was automatically removed. And now you have to simply click on this border option. After that you have to add a border from this option. Let's say I want to add medium border, and now as you can see, border was automatically added. And now if you want to add any text in your sticker, so you have to simply click on this text option. But in this case I don't want to add any text in my sticker. So after that you have to simply click on in the next option in the top right corner. After that you have to add a emoji. Let's say I want to add this emoji, and now you have to click on done. As you can see, our sticker was created. So if you want to add this sticker in your Telegram app, so for that you have to simply click on export to Telegram option, and now you will have an interface like this. So here simply you have to click on your sticker pack name, and now you will have an sticker interface like this. Now you have to simply click on add sticker. As you can see, your sticker was added in your Telegram, and that's how you can create a new sticker in Telegram in a very easy way. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.